Let's talk about when should you use append or merge in Power Query. Alright, so I have 3 datasets inside my Power Query editor. And first, let's talk about append. Use append query when you want to stack data. So this is my January sales data and this is my February sales data. So I want to stack them together, so I use append query. Right, so let's add append queries as new and select the first table and the second table and use 3 or more if you have more tables, but in this case I only have 2 tables to append, so I just choose the 2 tables and click on OK. And now I got them append nicely. So use append when you need to stack your data. Alright, use merge when you want to look up information from another table or you want to expand column. Alright, so this is my monthly sales data that I've appended just now. And now I want to add in this product category inside this sales data. So what I'm doing is that I want to look up the category for each of the products. So now I'm using merge query. So let's just merge inside this query. And I want to merge with this product info and choose the column that I want to use to be merged. So product and product in the product info. And then click on OK. And over here, I just choose the column that I need and click on OK. And now I got the category for the product. All right, so one quick rule. If the table structure is the same, for example, in the January and the February, those columns are the same, then you use append. If you are looking up information for another table or you are expanding your table, then use merge query. I hope this is useful for you, and if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to follow me and I'll see you next time. Bye.